Hey everyone, it is Plumber Mike. We are working on a New Yorker CG50D direct ignition natural gas, 130,000 BTU gas-fired boiler. Yesterday, the customer's complaint was the boiler turning on and off. The error code on the hydronic control was generally error 63, which is soft lockout, max recycles exceeded. And generally with error 63 on a US boiler with that digital control, it generally means that the pilot flame sensing current is weak. And if you go into the I button and we go to FLA, you'll see a number there like it is now, and slowly over time, or even right away, it will slowly drop down to 0 or close to 0 and then cut off, and it'll try to reignite and repeat itself until the cycle, the maximum recycles are exceeded. However, with this boiler yesterday, the flame current was good. It was 13, 14, 15, 16 in that range, and it cut out at that flame voltage. I'm just right now checking. I just changed this, but okay, 7.180. But in any event, I did change the pilot assembly, and the same thing occurred. Matter of fact, it was worse. So I'm condemning the board. Unfortunately, yesterday was a federal holiday, and New Yorker, which is technically the boiler, even though it's made by US Boiler, and if you call US Boiler Tech Support, they'll tell you need to call New Yorker, and New Yorker was closed yesterday. But in any case, I obtained a replacement board. The part number is a newer revision. Instead of -01, it is now -02. But immediately after putting it in, the problem went away, and I let the boiler cycle to high temperature. It is very important that you do that when replacing a vital control on any system, making sure that the boiler turns off. So I just did that, and we are good to go. So on this New Yorker boiler, random and multiple errors. 63 was the most common one here yesterday, but also gave 61, which is a line voltage unstable error. And another thing I noticed, that when the main valve opened, it would click twice, like it wanted to start twice. It would click on with 24 volts, in a split second, turn off, and then turn back on again, and it stayed on. And that really led me to the board right away. But again, I wanted to follow the proper protocol and procedures when dealing with error 63. But it also gave error 61, and it gave error number 10. And yeah, so there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video.